Are you looking for the best budget gaming keyboards? Mechanical keyboards remain a premier intersection of performance, customization, and build quality for gamers, developers, and typists. The category blends tactile and audible feedback, programmable firmware, and durable construction, making it a long-term investment that can impact in-game accuracy, typing speed, and workflow efficiency. In this review, I test feel, latency.
Product number 1. SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL RGB Gaming Keyboard. Overview. The Apex 3 TKL delivers a compact 10-keyless form factor with IP32 water and dust resistance, Prism Sync RGB, and Whisper Quiet gaming switches designed for longevity. Priced affordably at $31.99, it emphasizes silent operation, reliability, and multimedia convenience with a volume roller and dedicated keys. It targets gamers who want a durable, low-noise keyboard without breaking the bank, and who may also use a console ecosystem given SteelSeries broad compatibility. Performance-wise, the Apex 3 leverages SteelSeries Whisper Quiet switches with guaranteed durability beyond 20 million keystrokes and anti-ghosting, which helps maintain accuracy under fast multi-key sequences. The IP32 rating adds peace of mind in shared desks or setups with liquids nearby, and Prism Sync RGB enables fast customization but is primarily aesthetic. For use cases, this keyboard excels in quiet office gaming, streaming, and multi-platform play, Windows, Mac OS X, Xbox, PlayStation. Its multimedia controls are a practical daily use benefit, though the
Product number 2. RK Royal Kludge R87 Pro Wired Mechanical Keyboard. Overview. The R87 Pro subset adds a 75% layout with 88 keys, a hot-swappable CNC metal knob for volume control, and QMK VIA support at $64.99. It targets enthusiasts who want serious customization with a compact footprint and a tangible hardware control, volume knob, that can be reprogrammed for tasks beyond audio control. Performance-wise, the gasket-mounted 5-layer design aims to reduce noise and vibration, delivering a more controlled typing feel in a compact space. QMK VIA firmware enables macro programming, key remapping, and per-key RGB customization, making it versatile for gaming and productivity. The detachable knob adds a tactile edge for streamers or users who frequently adjust audio or system controls. Its USB-C.
Product number 3. Redragon K734W Wireless Mechanical Keyboard Overview. Redragon's K734W is a tri-mode 75% 87-key keyboard with hot swappable switches, pre-lubed linear switches, and south-facing RGB. Priced at $33.99, it appeals to users seeking multi-device connectivity, BT 5.0, 2.4G, USB-C, and flexible layout in a compact footprint, with a strong emphasis on cords-free versatility. Performance-wise, the gasket design and lubed linear switches deliver smoother presses with reduced resonance, while the tri-mode connectivity ensures seamless switching between devices. The south-facing RGB helps with visibility on the desk, and PBT keycaps provide durability in wear. The software, Pro Software, enables macros and lighting profiles, making it suitable for multitaskers, casual gamers, and hybrid workstations.
Product number 4. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 OmniPoint 3.0. Overview. The Apex Pro TKL Gen 3 elevates the series with OmniPoint 3.0 switches, offering 20x actuation speed, 11x response time improvement, and 40 levels of adjustable actuation. This premium $194.99 keyboard targets competitive gamers who demand on-the-fly actuation customization and advanced features like rapid trigger, protection mode, OLED display, and game-ready presets. Performance-wise, the Hall Effect OmniPoint switches deliver measurable latency advantages and high precision, with rapid trigger and rapid top features designed to shave milliseconds off keystrokes. The protection mode reduces unintended inputs and busy micro-interactions, while the OLED display centralizes settings without leaving the game. The Gen 3 form factor remains a sturdy, compact TKL with RGB and PBT keycaps, but the higher price requires clear value justification for buyers who rely on adjustable actuation and esports-ready presets. For use case.
Product number 5. LemoKey X1 Wired Mechanical Keyboard Overview. The LemoKey X1 is a budget-friendly wired TKL with QMK VIA programmability,
pre-lubed tactile switches, north-facing red backlight, and NKRO compatibility at $22.19. It emphasizes extreme value without sacrificing full programmability and 1000 Hz polling, positioning itself as an accessible entry point for enthusiasts who want firmer flexibility on a tight budget. Performance-wise, the X1's QMK VIA support enables comprehensive remapping and macro creation, with onboard memory preserving key maps. The 1000 Hz polling rate minimizes input latency, which helps in fast-paced gaming and precise typing. The anticipated trade-offs include the use of an affordable switch variety and ABS keycaps, which may wear over time compared to higher-end PBT sets. Nevertheless, the combination of full programmability and low cost